For all you Mumbaikars looking to buy a home which is not steeply priced, it's time to make your way to the site of the Mumbai Housing and Area Development Authority. That's because applications for MHADA's very popular housing lottery scheme starts this week. A yearly event, the scheme attracts thousands of home buyers seeking to buy an affordable home. In the past, though, the scheme has been accused of being non-transparent and time-consuming. But MHADA now claims to have revamped the system to make it more efficient. Ashish Bhatia joins us with this report.
It's no secret that housing in Mumbai is out of reach of the common man. House prices here run into crores of rupees, and if you want something affordable, then you need to look at areas in the periphery. In such a situation, the only hope to buy an affordable home within the city is the Maharashtra Housing and Area Development Authority, or MHADA's yearly housing lottery.
When you say mass housing, it is essentially defined as a economically weaker section or the lower income group section, because the section that which the market doesn't take care of. So therefore, that has to be the focus area, and we have seen in last 30-40 years, MHADA has really come up with various kind of projects all across the city.
There are 2,641 tenements on offer, split between the MHADA's regional units in Mumbai and the Konkan region. This includes 257 units for the higher income group category, 724 units in the mid income group, 1,363 units for the lower income group, and 297 units for the economically weaker section. The houses in this year's lottery can be found in far-flung areas like Vengurla in Sindhudurg district, as well as more upmarket areas such as suburban Powai that is considered prime locality. With such a wide product range on offer for very low prices, it is no surprise that the MHADA site saw nearly 91,000 visitors on the very first day of registration. While the lottery has turned out to be very popular, it is not without its share of problems. In the past, MHADA's lotteries have been struck by allegations of corruption and non-transparency, which some claimed led to select people winning flats. Which is why the organization has revamped the entire lottery system to minimize the need for human interaction in the lottery system. This includes innovative features such as virtual tours to guide you through every step, SMS notifications, video links and imagery.
फोटो नीट दिसतोय हे बघून ओके या बटनवरती क्लिक करा. त्यानंतरची पुढची पायरी असेल आपला पॅन कार्ड नंबर भरण्याची. कृपया हा नंबर भरतानाही व्यवस्थित काळजी घ्या.
Initially, there were a lot of allegations about corruption and people who were not eligible, they used to take the flats. So ultimately, we came with the conclusion that we should have a system where the human involvement is not there. So this time we have got a software and everything is online. So there is a big committee who is looking into all these factors,
But that is just one part of the problem. MHADA has also received numerous complaints about delays in the delivery of projects as well. Here, the organization plans to modify its operating procedures to guarantee timely delivery.
Possession of the flats were given after 7 to 8 years. So now what we have planned that only after building coming up, we get the OC of the building and then only we put in lottery. So the moment they get the lottery, they can take possession immediately.
While MHADA does its best to get these issues sorted, experts have suggested ways and methods to further streamline the process going ahead.
Arranging an income proof which is acceptable to MHADA is a challenge. They need to focus something on the income certification part as well.
If this year has seen the best response in terms of registration numbers, what's also a harsh reality is that MHADA has run out of its land bank to fuel the future lottery schemes. Till MHADA finds a way out of this ditch, it wouldn't be wrong to say that the fate of the common man lies at the hands of the Almighty. For those beyond this year's hopeful lottery winners, nothing seems to be affordable as yet. With camera person Malika Arjuna, Ashish Bhatia for NDTV.